So after starting your Apache and MySQL, what you need to do next is go to where you downloaded your WordPress. So my own is at my downloads. So I will come to downloads. I have my WordPress here. If your own is not extracted, if it is not extracted, go ahead and extract it. So just double click and extract. My own is already extracted, so I'll just go inside this folder. Inside that folder, the first one, there is another folder inside. So we have WordPress inside it. So click, you just select it and copy it. So copy it. So when you copy, this is what you have to do. So you have to take it to your Dixie. In my machine, I'm only using one Dix. I didn't partition it. So in your case, it might be Dixie and Dix Go to the Dixie. When you open the Dixie, you see XAMPP software, the XAMPP software that you install. You see the XAMPP software that you install, and if you haven't installed it, install it. So when you see it, you click on that one to open. So when you open here, you see many files here. What you have to do here is to look for htdocs. Look for htdocs. This is it. So when you see htdocs, you double click on that one to open. So in your case, you might have different files there. So those files are not anything. So you can just go ahead and delete them. You just select all of them and delete. But in my case, I'm having Harunzi Tech and School Management System main. So these are already websites that I've created. So I need them. But in your case, you might not have, you might have different files. So just delete all of those files and paste the WordPress that you copy. Paste the WordPress that you have copied. So I'm pasting my own right now. So let's wait and see when it's done. Okay. Almost there. Yeah, now it's done. So when you finish pasting it here, so what you need to do is that you have to rename this website to the name of the website that you have created. You have to rename this WordPress to the name of the website you have created. So the name of the website I'm creating is Haruna. So my website name will just be Haruna. So I will rename it to Haruna. So that's it. So when you are done with this one, go to your browser. You are going to your browser. So when you come here, you are going to the browser. So here, what you have to do is that we have to create a database. We have to create a database for our website. So to create your database, go to localhost slash php localhost slash php my admin. So go to this address localhost slash php my admin. So when you come here, so these are the files that you already have by. This is the Harunzi Tech website that I was talking about. So here we have to create a database for our website too. So when you look at the top there, you see new. You will see new. So click on the new. So when you click on the new and you look at your right side, you see database name. So database name, I'm naming my database Haruna 2. So you can name it anything you want, but you don't have to forget the database name or the name of the database. Make sure you can remember that name. So great. So database has been created. Okay. So the next thing you have to do is to go to localhost slash the name of your website. The name of my website is Haruna. That's the name I decided to give my website. So when you go to the files, 80 docs, you see that Haruna there. So this is the Haruna that I'm referring to. So have to you have to put here the name of the website that you put there inside your AT. You have to put that name in here. So after putting it, you just enter. So let's see what happens. Okay, so the installation process is starting. Okay, so when you scroll down, we are going to continue because we want the lesson to be in English. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so you have to pay very much attention here. Okay, so here we are putting our database name. The name of our database is Haruna. This is the name that we are putting there. So just go ahead and put the name of your database. If it is Haruna, to put Haruna. If it's any other name, put that name there. And when you come here, username. So by default, because we are using localhost, the username is going to be root. It's going to be root, ROOT. That's why you are supposed to put there. So because we are using localhost, the username is going to be root. And when you come to the password, there won't be anything there. You are not putting anything in the password. You are not putting anything there. So and leave any other thing the way they are and submit. Leave any other thing the way they are and submit. So we are now going to run the installation. So you click on run the installation. Okay, so when you come here, so what happens here is that you have to give your site a title, your website a title. So the title that I will give my website is Haruna. I'll just give it Haruna again. So it will be Haruna. The user, I'll call it admin. Admin. Username, I'll give it admin. And password too, I'll give it admin. So it's a weak password. So I have to confirm to use a weak password, no problem. Because I'm just doing a demo or I'm walking you guys through, there's no problem with using a weak password. Okay, so after that, I have to put my email too. I have to put my email too. And here, while search engine visibility. So once you click on this blue checkbox, that means that you don't want your website to be visible on any search engine, which is not what you want. You want it to be visible on Google or any other search engine. So you have to leave it the way it is. So you have to click install now. So the installation is run. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully created our WordPress website. So now we have to log into the backend. We have to log into the backend. So just log in. So normally I use the admin. That's the easiest name, or yeah, that's the easiest name that I can remember. So that's my username, and the password too is the same. So I'll just log in. Okay, so Everything works perfectly. If you're having any error, let me know in the comments so that I will see how I can help you. Okay, so when you come here, so basically this is the dashboard of the admin or you the developer. This is where you are going to make all the addition or all the changes for your website. And after making any changes, if you want to see the interface of your website, you have to come here to visit site. That's where, so I'm just going to open a new tab. So I'll open it in a new tab so that it will open there. Okay, so this is now the website. So look at it. Okay, so this one is a default template that WordPress uses. So whenever you create your first website, this is how it's going to look like. So in the next videos, I'll walk you through on how we're going to design it based on this kind of website we want. So this is the back end and this is the front end. So see you in the next video. And if you are having any challenge, let me know in the comment. See you there.